Great. Is that tasty? Yeah, do
Next
you like
time
it?
I'm gonna order a kids one, a kids scoop.
Did you get a double this time or a single?
Single. But
Yeah.
still, I drink it.
Is it?
So for today's video, we're gonna take you to a real naughty place.
The Knotty Shop.
We're going to the Knotty Shop. It's a shop out in Salcha. It has wood knot art and it has ice cream and it has some really cool different souvenirs if you ever come up here.
A big taxidermy area too.
And a big taxidermy area. It has boxes and baby minks and so
Bears.
come along with us.
These guys all earned it by working hard on the driveway, huh? We come to the Knotty Shop and there's all these animals and stuff made, and where do the kids go?
Tall grass.
Tall grass. You like grass? All right, you guys want to go look at the Knotty Shop again?
Yeah.
Mama wants to go look at it.
Ready to go inside? Ready to go inside, Nora? Okay. Where'd they go? Where are you going? Hello. Yeah, you did go in here. There's some pretty neat water bottles there. It's supposed to be, I think, the Northern Lights there. What do you boys got? You got your bear claws? Nora, don't be running around. Nora, gentle. Isn't that pretty?
If it had a North Pole, I would buy it
Yeah.
for your mom.
Yeah, it's a little moose. Oh yeah, I think that's a cutting board. Where are you going, princess? Those are Russian stacking dolls. They're dolls inside dolls.
What's funny is we were here not that long ago, and before we even left, they asked to come back.
Yep.
I was like,
Yeah, we were in ice cream. I said, like, when can we come back? I'm like, we left. Yeah, no, we met online and I just moved up here. 12 years, 5 kids later. Yeah, really. Okay, you be careful with those, okay? These are actually some really neat, like, I don't know if they're jewelry boxes or just things with drawers. But they're like made out of stumps. It's really neat.
one? Yeah. It is like your size. Yeah. Rawr. Oh, you like those? I do. A doggy? Those are foxes.
You have Freya?
I do.
Okay, just making sure. Here's all the taxidermy. Got a caribou. It looks like coyotes back there. There's even little meat there.
Remember, try to look, not touch so much, okay?
Some antlers, some skins. And big surprise, Bigfoot's here. Yeah, it's Bigfoot. Yep, Bigfoot. What do you think of Bigfoot, huh?
I don't like.
Why? Why don't you like Bigfoot? Is he too tall? Yeah.
I go.
Yes, Bigfoot. I like these wood carvings right here. If I had more space in the house, I'd get some like this. I like the bears.
Yeah.
They agree.
We get a nice big motorhome.
See, look, they agree. They're not in their head. Yes. Freya.
So what are we doing, Mama?
So here at the Knotty Shop, we have these bags. All right. That have dirt in them, and there's fossils and different gems. It's right there, actually. All the different things. Get up, Freya. Come here. Freya, come here. Let's see what you got. Come here. Look. Whose bag that is? All right, can you shake it? Oh, like this. Can you go like that? Here, go like this. Here, Freya, look at the rocks we found. Oh, some pretty blue ones.
Look at all the fossils.
Shake it in the water.
Oh, that's a lot of rocks.
You want to do it? Ooh, you want to show Daddy that one? Daddy, look.
What did you got, Freya? Ooh, that one's cool.
Look at all your pretty rocks. She found some teeth too, Daddy.
I got a
Oh, so cool, Freya.
Daddy, I got a bunch of teeth.
Did you?
Yeah.
Let me get Freya.
All right, and you pull it out.
And then you get all of them out. You put them in your bag.
What'd you find, Halvor?
Teeth.
You found teeth?
I found them. Pull it up. Grab the other handle, Howard.
Good job. Ooh.
I don't know what's in my bag yet.
We'll get there.
Yeah, you looking at the rocks, Miss Freya? Yeah.
That's a chip bag I got. They're finding fossils and teeth. I'm like, oh.
Tons of teeth. I got hundreds of teeth. Howard's got.
Oh, buddy. Look! Look at that! Ooh, keep going up this! Look at that, too! Whoa, bud! Yep, keep going to all the dirt sifted. Lift it up.
I got a bunch of so many teeth. Let me show you.
Oh, yeah, see? And look, it'll tell you what kind of teeth they are on the back.
Yeah, can you figure
All
out?
these teeth, Mom.
Can you figure out what kind of teeth they are?
Oh, you found some teeth too, Princess. Look at that rock. Look at that.
See all of the dirt.
I think that's
getting washed
petrified
away.
wood, actually. You got a bunch of little teeth. Look at you.
Oh yeah, a chunk of petrified wood. How cool is that?
Oh.
I'm gonna sip along to make sure all that dirt's out.
Definitely.
I go.
Boy, you guys found lots of cool stuff.
This is teeth. I found this one, Daddy.
Yeah, what is that tooth? A sand tiger shark tooth.
Mom, I got a huge clump of fool's gold. Oh, you're rich now.
Mommy,
Look at all those teeth.
I got little bones.
Now do you have to brush their teeth?
Mommy,
Yeah.
I got a sand tiger tooth. Wow. Got a little piece of tooth.
Clean it up a little bit. Sure.
Yeah.
Make it nice.
I got a sand
Yeah,
tiger
definitely.
tooth. Me too. Mommy, I got a
What do you think, Nora?
tiger tooth.
Lots of cool stuff. Yeah, I can't leave anything behind. None of those special pieces.
Pearl shark tooth.
Okay, show me.
Bray, is that tasty? Yeah, do
Next
you like
time
it?
I'm gonna order a kid's one. A kid's scoop.
Did you get a double this time or a single?
Single.
But
Yeah.
still, I drink it.
Is it? Raynor insisted on getting a double again.
Your side buddy.
He eats it like there's no tomorrow.
He's a grown boy.
Halvor, did you get a kids or a normal scoop?
Normal.
Rainbow sugar.
Okay, on the sugar cone. What about you, Mr. Mouthful?
You got normal scoop. One.
You got a normal scoop?
I usually am the only one getting double.
Yep,
I
you're
got
the only one
double
who eats that
last
much.
time.
Yeah, and you barely had finished it, huh?
You're dripping.
Yeah, I still had it.
Like the other side.
And a half.
The other side.
I can eat it. I'm the first one to finish my ice cream.
You tell me when you're all done, okay, Freya? You still eating?
I'm the
Yeah,
first
okay.
one to finish my ice cream.
I just every so often offer help and I take off any drips. Try and keep her from being too messy. She only got a little bit on her lap.
Halvor.
Yeah, and
Just
she got
eat it.
some on my arm.
Yeah, the bear? Do you like the bear? Which one's that one, Halvor?
Not normal.
You had to lose the antlers? Oh, don't. Yeah, make sure you leave that there.
Or was.
Yeah, is that a nice one? You like that one? Yeah, that one. Halvor, not too far from me, okay? Oh boy. Yeah. Well, that just says Lasquito.
It says Lasquito.
Can I take some pictures?
Yep.
Yep. No sitting.
Alright.
Found a nail.
Is that good? You like it? Need more still?
Sure.
Huh?
Sure.
Sure? You need more? More ice cream? He ate his, a lot of his sisters, a lot of his brothers, and he still wants more.
So ice cream was had, we looked around the store, and I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us. Now there actually is RV parking over here, so if you do come up in your RV, there's a big parking lot to go park in.
Right over there.
The ice cream was delicious. I got pretty measuring spoons.
And the ice cream was very good.
And the kids did the sifting of the rocks. They found some really cool fossils. The last time I did it, I feel like I got gypped. So thank you so much for coming along with us, and we hope you like, subscribe, share, and we hope to see you next week.
Say bye.
Bye.